Kilkenny races.
Is this controversial?
No, but it's... People have their opinions on this set. I mean, but you also like the Char Lady. This is a hornpipe set. It is 8-bar step. Then it's got a 24-bar set part. So, Char Lady. But it is a hornpipe.
I like it.
I jokingly say the best Kilkenny races have a horsey horse move.
Yeah, I'm getting that. Like, it's very like beep, 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 boop, boop, boop.
Because it's
Like,
the
it's
races.
very, like-
It's the horse races.
Yeah, it's very cute.
So you have to give a
I
little,
really
little
liked it.
toe, little single ladies.
Yeah.
Toto.
I love it.
The Kilkenny races set part also has a whole bunch of like pausey endings. And some musicians will lean into that a little bit more and will actually like stop and keep playing. So it's a little bit, I always think of it as the Lord of the Rings set because it has like 15 different endings.
Yeah.
That's the actual ending.
I love it.
I like Kilkenny races.
I would put it in A.
I agree.
Above Ace and Deuce.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. We're on the same page. Love it. Yeah, Kilkenny races is up there for me, especially if it has a horsey horse.